Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch RAI2 live on your phone, laptop or smart TV. This method works online so that you can watch the channel anywhere without using the cable. So to get started with it, first of all, you need to open your web browser on your phone or on your computer. Afterwards, you need to go to the official website of RAI streaming platform. On the home page itself, you will see a list of the RAI channels. So you need to find RAI2. You can also use the search bar here on the top. Then you can look for the option of RAI2. Now here from the list, you just have to simply click on the RAI2 channel. The live stream will start playing instantly on your screen. Now, if the video doesn't start, you just have to simply refresh this page once again and try again. If you are using a smart TV, you just have to open the App Store on your TV. Then you need to search for a RAI streaming application. Afterwards, you just have to install it on your TV. After opening the application, select RAI2 from the live TV section and start watching it. If the stream is not available in your region, you may not see the live option for some programs due to the location restrictions. So if that's the case, you can't do anything. So if the video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.